For homeowners in Kendall, Florida, upgrading to vinyl windows is one of the smartest investments for comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. Vinyl windows are known for their durability, energy savings, and minimal maintenance, but their true performance depends heavily on how well they're installed. Even the highest quality windows can fail early if they aren't fitted and sealed correctly. That's why professional installation is essential. In a region known for heat, humidity, and unpredictable storms, precise workmanship ensures your vinyl windows perform at their best and last for decades. Here's how expert installation helps maximize the lifespan and value of vinyl windows in Kendall homes. Proper fit prevents air and water leaks. One of the most common causes of premature window wear is improper fitting. Gaps or misalignments between the window frame and wall can allow air and moisture to seep in, leading to drafts, condensation, and structural damage. Professional installers take detailed measurements to ensure every window fits perfectly into its opening. They use precise leveling, shimming, and sealing techniques to create an airtight barrier. This precision is especially important in Kendall's humid climate, where trapped moisture can lead to mold, mildew, and frame deterioration if left unchecked. A snug, watertight installation not only prevents leaks but also protects the surrounding wall structure from moisture-related damage, helping your vinyl windows last much longer. Enhanced energy efficiency and comfort. Vinyl windows are prized for their insulating properties, helping reduce energy costs by keeping cool air in and hot air out. But if installation isn't done properly, even a small gap can compromise efficiency. Certified window professionals understand how to optimize thermal performance through correct alignment, weather stripping, and foam insulation around the frame. This ensures your home remains comfortable and energy efficient throughout Kendall's long, hot summers. With professional installation, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a steady temperature, saving you money on electricity and extending the life of your cooling equipment as well. Protection against Kendall's tropical climate. Kendall's weather poses unique challenges. High humidity, heavy rain, and the occasional tropical storm can take a toll on poorly installed windows. If not sealed correctly, moisture can infiltrate, causing warping, corrosion, or mold growth around the frames. Professional installers use specialized waterproofing techniques, including flashing, caulking, and sill pans, to ensure that rainwater drains away from the structure instead of seeping in. This level of protection is critical for long-term performance, helping your vinyl windows withstand Florida's tropical elements without losing their strength or appearance. By safeguarding against moisture and wind infiltration, professional installation extends both the functional and aesthetic lifespan of your windows. Maintaining structural integrity and warranty coverage. Another major benefit of hiring a professional installer is warranty protection. Most window manufacturers require professional installation to keep product warranties valid. DIY or subpar installations can void coverage, leaving homeowners responsible for any repairs or replacements. Professional installers follow manufacturer-approved methods, ensuring your vinyl windows perform exactly as designed. They also provide workmanship warranties, covering any installation-related issues that may arise later, offering peace of mind that your investment is fully protected. Long-term performance and low-maintenance. Vinyl windows are already known for being low maintenance, but professional installation helps keep them that way. Poor installation can cause frames to warp, seals to crack, or panes to loosen over time, all of which increase maintenance needs. With expert craftsmanship, your windows will open and close smoothly, lock securely, and maintain their appearance for years with minimal upkeep. Professional installers also ensure proper drainage and ventilation, reducing the risk of condensation or interior damage. In short, professional installation helps vinyl windows perform exactly as intended, smoothly, efficiently, and for decades. Final thoughts for Kendall homeowners. Vinyl windows offer the perfect blend of style, efficiency, and resilience. But their longevity and performance depend on the quality of installation. Professional window installers bring the precision, tools, and experience needed to ensure every window fits perfectly, seals tightly, and stands strong against South Florida's weather. With expert installation, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, greater comfort, and windows that look and perform like new for years to come. When you invest in vinyl windows for your Kendall home, protect that investment by choosing a trusted local professional, because in Florida's climate, installation quality makes all the difference.